Here we are at Bluestem, which is an Ascend Collection hotel. There's a little bit of the parking lot. There's a little quick video. Room 105. I put the lights on. So, got the cups, little menu. They don't serve breakfast here, and I wasn't aware of that. So we'll do left to right. Got a little coffee maker. The floors are really nice. The colors are kind of beige and gray. Got some wallpaper over here. So here's the bathroom. Got sink, some cute toiletries. They have, what is that, Paul Mitchell? And who is this? Tea Tree brand? Okay. We got a mirror. Look, there I am. And then we have, I put on all the lights and the fan so you can, that's what you hear. Here's the shower. Little towel. Pretty high up nozzle head shower thing. Toilet. Place to hang a towel. And as we come back out, we see we got a cute swan there on the bed. Looks like we got some macrame. These are fake. Okay, well, I'm just checking. Got a funky light. I like that. Drawer. I like that they have a USB. This is for the light. And then you have a regular outlet. I don't know why there's a hole here. It's kind of weird. It's a king-size bed. Here is the closet, which does not have doors, but that's okay. Got two drawers, like a cubby type thing. Oh, it's your ironing board. Hey, hey. So here's the king-size bed for one solo traveler, such as myself. The other nightstand. Got a nice chair. It looks comfortable. It kind of looks like an ottoman. My stuff is here already. And then that's the back part of the door. So I have free internet. Got a pretty big size TV. They do have a restaurant down the street. If you want to order, they do give you a 10% discount, but they actually do not have. They have a fitness center. They provide tea and water complimentary in the lobby. Well, these are some restaurants that are nearby. Who are you gonna call? Well, Ghostbusters if I have to, because they don't play around. Grab a drink. Television channel listing. From here to there, everywhere. Okay. Are we there yet? Meetings and events. So I think this is really nice. Here's your hotel layout map. And we're downstairs. But I just wish they had breakfast. Oops. All right, that's where I'm staying tonight. I think it's cute. I've stayed at Bluestem before, and it was about 2 years ago, as I was heading on a Carnival Panorama 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise. So I have stayed here before. Everything's very nice. Right now the trend is these doors, the barn doors. Look at those rollers. Check it out. All right, I'm in for the night. See you guys later.